Welcome to Get the Mix. To change the battery on GA-400, first we need to remove the 4 screws on the back cover using a small Phillips screwdriver. Turn them counterclockwise to loosen the screws. We remove the plastic cover. Using a small slotted screwdriver, prying the battery lock from the inside out as shown in the video. If you don't have a small screwdriver, you can use a safety pin. Next, we take out the battery. The original battery used is Sony SR927W, but different countries may use different brands. I replace it with Renata 395, which have same size. Check the battery's expiration date. Do not use an expired battery as its performance has degraded. Install the new battery with the positive pole facing up. Use plastic tweezer to handle the battery. Don't use metal tweezer as they can short-circuit the battery and reduce its quality. If you do not have plastic tweezer, just use your fingers to install the battery. If it cannot lock as in video, slightly bend the battery lock inwards. Use a mirror to check whether the watch has turned on or not. Never flip the watch while the back cover is open as the mechanism may shift and small parts like the alarm spring may fall off and so on. If you don't have a mirror, just lift the watch above your head to check if it's turned on or not. After battery change, it is recommended that you reset the watch. To do so, connect the AC mark part to the negative part, which is the whole engine surface. You can use metal tweezer, but from experience, using a safety pin is more effective. If the reset is successful, the watch will re-enter the setting mode. Before closing the back cover, ensure that the buttons touch the watch mechanism, as indicated by the watch mechanism moving when the button is pressed. If it doesn't move, the position of the mechanism may need to be adjusted until it moves. Note that the oval in the plastic cover should be above the battery. Also pay attention to this metal strip. It should be on top or outside of the plastic cover and not touching the watch battery as it can shut down the watch. Use a small screwdriver to ensure that the metal strip is outside of the cover. Note that there is a spring here that must be attached to the alarm speaker. Never close the back cover with the O-ring seal attached to the cover like this. Your watch won't be water resistant anymore if you do this, so you need to remove the rubber from the back cover first. Then apply silicone grease, not a silicone adhesive but silicone grease. You can buy it on watch repair shop. If you don't have it, you can use oil-based hair gel. Its function is to keep the elasticity of the O-ring seal. However, if the O-ring is already brittle or even snapped, then you need to replace it with a new one. After that, install the O-ring on the watch body according to the provided groove or slot. Make sure that the seal is installed in its pad. If it's not installed properly, it may leak and your watch will not be waterproof anymore. Install the back cover. Make sure it's in correct position and the alarm speaker is touching the alarm spring. Tighten the screw by turning them clockwise. Don't tighten one screw first, but do it evenly. Tighten it by crossing over so that the pressure is even and the cover can be attached properly. Test all the buttons and check the chime. Also test the crown and light. As long as you change the battery properly and the O-ring seal condition is still good, the watch will still water resistant and safe for swimming. Based on my experience, the O-ring can last for more than 10 years. Lastly, sometimes after changing the battery, the clock hands and small hands do not match the digital clock, so they need to be recalibrated. Just search YouTube to calibrate the GA-400. Thanks for watching.